Hey guys, I got another video. I've never done a review on headphones before. By all means, I am no audiophile. I don't claim to be, but I know what I like. When it comes to music, I listen to all kinds of music, from funk to jazz to classical. I'm a classical pianist. To rap, hardcore. I mean, all kinds. Chamber music. You know, I mean, I'm all over the place when it comes to music. To me, basically, if it sounds good to me, I like it. You know. But anyway, these headphones would be good for bass heads. The reason why I'm doing a review on these is that what do you call it? I compare them to my daughter's Dr. Dre Beats headphones, her solo Beats, which are also pretty much the same design as these headphones. So let me get into this. These are JVCs, JVC XX Extreme Explosives, right? 40mm drivers, and JVC, and there's the model number that I have. S44X JVC XX Explosives. Right, there's the case. Got a tough rubber guard on the back. Extreme deep bass port. Right. So let me show you the headphones, and I'll show you something else that pretty much backs it up. So hold on a sec. So here are the headphones, right? Black. The on the headband, it's got really soft foam here. It's kind of a mesh material, very soft. Doesn't hurt on the head. These click. They're okay, you know, but you know, once you got them set to the size of your head, you probably won't be moving them back and forth anyway, so the wear and tear won't be that much. It's 100% plastic, but they feel sturdy. It feels like a strong construction. So they have red accents here. The inside, they have red accents also, if you can see that, right on the inside. And they have red cables for both left and right. It goes on to here. It's not a mic or anything like that, but goes there. And then the tip of the headphones have the same design. Right. It doesn't come with an adapter for the big size, full size headphones, but this is your regular 3.5mm plug. All I can say when I put these on was I was thoroughly impressed. In comparison to my daughter's Dr. Dre Beats Solo headphones, they're on-ear. These are both on-ear models. There's another model that I'm probably going to pick up that's over the ear. When I put these on my head, I've got a fairly big head. I get a nice seal with this. It's really, I don't know what material this is. It's not leather, but it's a soft material, cushiony. Feels good. I've had them on for a while. Let's say maybe an hour and a half at a time, and they don't hurt. They don't hurt my ears, and usually the headphones do. So let me get into some specs here for you, and which was the reason why I was pretty impressed by these headphones. When I listen to music, whether it be classical or funk, jazz, heavy rock, you know, anything like that, to me as a musician, your bass is always the foundation of music. I like a nice solid bass. It doesn't have to be rumbling bass, but you know, it's always nice if that's part of the genre that you're listening to. You know, gangster rap, a lot of that, Dr. Dre, Snoop, those type of things, Luda, you know, they're all heavy bass. So obviously if the genre calls for it, it's nice for the headphones to be able to back it up. That's why I like these. Like I said, I'm comparing these to my daughter's headphones, the Dr. Dre's Dr. Dre Solo Beats on-ear model. And let's get into the specs. Here are the specs for the frequency response. On the Dr. Dre's, I think they go as high as 24 or 23. I can't remember. But what impressed me was the low end, because here on the JVCs, this goes down to 8 hertz. On the Dr. Dre's, they go down to 20 hertz. Now, like I said, I'm not an audiophile and I'm not a big audio freak when it comes to stats and stuff like that. I just know what I like when it comes to the sound. I like a nice solid bass. The mids, I like, you know, I don't want them to sound over processed or too muffled. And the highs, I like it really crisp. So I like crisp highs, nice solid mids, and a low, deep, solid bass for any type of music that I listen to. So when I looked up the Dr. Dre's were they go as low as 20 hertz. These go down to 8 hertz, and I believe the next model, the DJ style of these headphones, which are over the ear and the ear cups twist, they go down to 6 hertz, so even lower, which is why I was thoroughly impressed with the low end of these headphones, because it's pretty impressive. So I know you won't. I'm just gonna turn up. So that's about almost at full. I'm just gonna put the ear cup to the mic here. I know that you're not gonna get the same idea, but here's some MacArthur Park by Maynard Ferguson. Okay, so, and then let's go to like Tom Sawyer. Now, I don't know how that's going to translate in the video, but when you have these suckers on, it's nice. For 50 bucks, compared to the $200 price tag of the Beats headphones, hands down, I would spend 50 bucks. I would get 3 pairs of these for the 1 pair of the Dr. Dre's. You know, you lose some features with compared to the Dre's. The Dre's have 1 plug. These are 2. The Dre's you can unplug. That one you can't, and these ones you don't have the control. But the next model up from this, the same style, you can get the ones with the control. I think it's like 10 bucks more, which is nice. Or I'm probably going to pick up the over-ear model because those look really nice, and you can get them on Amazon for like 60 bucks. Incredible, you know. And these things are light. You barely know they're on. They look nice. To me, they look nice. Nice thick band. You know, all black with red accents. And the bass is kicking. The bass is kicking. 8 hertz. They go down to 8 hertz. And the Dre's go down to 20. Only 20. Right? And then the over the ear go down another 2 hertz. Go down to 6 hertz for the low end. So that's impressive. That's impressive. Now don't forget too, when you're listening to music, it all depends on the EQ that you're using. That one I had the clarity setting on, and also the bass, so I could turn everything off, but that's not how I like the sound. Once again, it's a personal thing. I'm not saying that that's what you have to do, but I'm just saying that's how I like my headphones to sound. I like the highs nice and crisp, mids nice, not muffled, and the bass, solid bass. It doesn't have to be rumbling, but these things definitely do rumble. That's it. That's my thoughts on these XX JVC model number S44X. 50 bucks. Can't beat it. 40mm drivers. Hope you liked the video.